Welcome to our latest review, where we explore the advancements in robotic cleaning with the Everybot Edge 2. This cutting-edge robot mop is transforming the way we clean our homes by blending state-of-the-art technology with ease-of-use features in a sleek design. Hey guys, welcome to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before moving ahead, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular update. Unboxing the Everybot Edge 2. Its sleek design catches the eye immediately. It comes neatly packaged with its remote control, replaceable mop pads, and a user manual, making the initial setup seem quite simple. At just 3.2 pounds, it is among the lightest robot mops available, ensuring it's easy to handle and maneuver. Setup is a breeze. Simply attach the mop pads, fill the water tank, lift the lid, and hold the power button for a few seconds to get started. The Edge 2 distinguishes itself with a wheel-less design that allows smooth movement across various surfaces, using the pressure of its own weight to mimic hand-wiping motions. It features a foam filter and is powered by a robust lithium-ion battery, providing up to 120 minutes of cleaning. The 210 milliliter water tank is efficiently sized to handle up to 500 square feet per fill. Now, let's discuss the standout features of the Edge 2. Faster cleaning. The Everybot spins at 30 centimeters per second, ensuring quick and thorough cleaning. Whisper quiet operation. At just 42 decibels, the Edge 2 operates quietly, allowing you to go about your daily activities without disruption. Powerful cleaning action. Leveraging its weight and dual spinning mop discs, it delivers a deep clean comparable to manual scrubbing. Edge cleaning. Its protruding mop design reaches into every corner, ensuring no spot is overlooked. Smart water supply system. An electronic water pump controls the 210 milliliter water tank, maintaining optimal mop dampness with 4 adjustable levels, including a dry mode accessible via the remote. Additionally, it includes 2 types of mop pads, a microfiber mop for superior water absorption, and a mother yarn mop designed to pick up dust and hair in a dry mop setting. We tested the Edge 2 on various surfaces, including tile. It glided effortlessly under furniture, thanks to its slim 3.5-inch profile. Smart sensors minimized collisions, while time of flight, TOF, fall detection sensors prevented drops. The ergonomic design features a handles, making it easy to lift and transport. The straightforward remote control enhances user experience by simplifying setting adjustments while the device cleans. We've captured footage of the Edge 2 in action, showcasing its ability to navigate common household obstacles and transition smoothly from hardwood floors to tile, effectively capturing pet hair and dust. The Everybot Edge 2. Robot Mop is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. Its combination of efficient scrubbing action, intelligent design, and quiet operation sets it apart in the crowded field of robot mops. So, this was all about the video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and give your reviews in the comment section. This is Enoylity technology, and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.